Hello gorgeous, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It is your girl Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Ay, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. Alright, so today is a special video. As you can already tell by today's title, your girl is collaborating with IUGA Yoga. Woo! I'm so happy because this is my second opportunity to make a video about the IUGA Yoga brand, and I am just thrilled and excited to share with you the pieces that I got. I was able to get 6 pieces, and I am going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to do a try-on haul because you know your girl got to show off this body, honey. Your girl lost them 9 pounds after doing a mini cut, so therefore, hopefully, you know, the IUGA yoga wear will, you know, shape me up real nice and tight and sweet. Make sure you stick around. I do have a coupon code for you so that you can purchase your items off of the IUGA Yoga website. So I'm going to share every single detail of each item that I got. So please make sure you stick around for that because you don't want to miss it, honey. Shout out to all of my ladies who purchased off of the IUGA Yoga website. You guys showed up, showed out, and you came through. I appreciate you for just standing behind me and supporting me on my collaboration. And it just goes to show you how much that you love and you trust what I am delivering to you guys. So thank you again to my supporters, and thank you again to IUGA Yoga. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Some of the items that I got are just bottoms. I did get some shorts, some yoga pants, and I also got a set. So I want to do the set for last. I think that is, you know, extremely important, right? All right, so this one here, I'm going to go over the names in a little bit, but I just want to show you. So out of your package, you are going to get an IUGA Nothing But Comfort card where it's going to tell you every little detail about IUGA. Look at that. All right. This is what you get in your packaging. All right. And it literally lists every detail about each item. We are going to go over each one, okay? Then you get your nicely wrapped tissue paper. And here is the pink set. I like this one. I got shorts. It's so cute. All right. The next one, my favorite color is purple. Are these pants? Yes. These are pants, honey. So I got the pants right here. And it has the IUGA brand, IUGA Yoga brand on the back. All right. Next one, I tried to be colorful this time, you know. So I have this one. This one is also pants. Oh, and let me not forget that these items are in a size small. Not only purple is my favorite color, but blue is my favorite color as well. Okay, so I got a pair of blue shorts. And this one is another pair of blue shorts, but this one is thicker material compared to this one. This is more, it feels like a breathable. This one is more thicker. So I'm assuming this one is the top. Okay. And here is the top to go with this matching set. So I got one matching set, 2 shorts, and 2 yoga pants in a set, a short set. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the try-on haul because I am so excited to try on these clothes, see how they fit and how they hug my body, my curves. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I hope you guys are excited because I am excited too. So 1, 2, 3, let's go. IUGA is a yoga sport brand focused on comfort, commitment to providing yoga enthusiasts with the ultimate comfortable experience. High value Products and services. Butter Lab and Heat Lab fabrics, specially developed for IUGA's comfort experience. The trusted choice of over 5 million users, recommended by multiple authoritative media outlets, including Yahoo People, InStyle, Wirecutter, and more. Over 80,000 positive user interactions and feedback. IUGA Butter Lab high-waisted buttery soft leggings in the color of deep purple. Body-conforming design, adaptive fitting, seamless waisted band, and supportive V-butt. IUGA Power Tight Sandwich No Front Seam Leggings in the color of Noctilucence Red. Sandwich waisted band for tummy control, high support, and butt lifting. IUGA UPF 50 quick dry swim shorts with pockets in the color of navy blue. Breathable, quick drying UPF 50 and anti-chlorine properties. It has tummy control and sun protection. IUGA Power Tight No Front Seam Sandwich Shorts in the color of navy blue. So here's what we have. Innovative sandwich waistband, high control, mid to high compression. Girl, it also has powerful compression and sculpting effects. And it also has high elasticity and strong resilience. Girl, we need that. And also it has V-shaped glute and contour design. Yes, gorgeous. Grand finale. IUGA Power Tight No Front Seam Sandwich Shorts in the color of Pink Power. Okay, so these are very similar to the navy shorts with the powerful compression and sculpting effect, high elastic and strong resilience, V-shaped glute contour design. This is high control, mid to high compression. Okay, gorgeous, let's get into the IUGA Power Tight High Impacted Padded Sports Bra. This one is in the color of hot pink, adjustable 3-setting hook and eye closure, breathable, quick, dry mesh liner, supportive and durable. This is a win-win for me, baby. Now you know I can't resist showing my arms. Oh, look at that. Ooh, it looks very sexy in this padded bra top. Look at that. Ooh, so cute. I love it. Listen, I can't say nothing but great things about the IUGA Yoga activewear brand. Use the code Tamika25 to get your 25% off on IUGA. The link is in the description box. Make sure you run over there right now and load up your carts. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you come back to this video, share it with us, and let us know how you liked your items. I will greatly appreciate it, and IUGA will also greatly appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you, IUGA, for collaborating with your girl. She is Tamika. Goodbye, gorgeous.